If you've been dealing with low energy, slow metabolism, or stubborn fat that just won't go away, no matter how much you diet or exercise, then you'll want to hear about Mitolyn. It's a natural dietary supplement designed to boost your metabolism and support your body's energy production from within. Unlike most weight loss products that rely on artificial stimulants or harsh ingredients, Mitolyn targets the root of the problem, your mitochondria. These are the tiny powerhouses inside your cells that produce energy. As we age, mitochondrial function slows down, which can lead to fatigue, weight gain, poor digestion, and even brain fog. Mitolyn is formulated to support mitochondrial health and help you feel energized, focused, and balanced again. Its formula contains 6 powerful natural ingredients, including maqui berry, rhodiola rosea, amla, astaxanthin, theobroma cacao, and schisandra. Together, they help improve mitochondrial efficiency, promote fat metabolism, reduce oxidative stress, and support healthy aging. The antioxidants in Mitolyn protect your cells from damage while supporting better energy levels throughout the day. What sets Mitolyn apart is the quality and safety behind the product. It's made in the USA in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility and contains no GMOs, caffeine, or artificial additives. It's a clean supplement you can trust to work naturally with your body. I started taking Mitolyn to manage my energy crashes in the afternoon and to get help with stubborn belly fat. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a significant improvement in my overall energy levels. I wasn't reaching for coffee or snacks out of exhaustion anymore. I also felt more focused and alert during the day. One of the biggest things I liked was that it didn't make me feel jittery or uncomfortable, just a clean, steady boost of energy. I also felt less bloated, and my digestion seemed to improve. These may sound like small changes, but over time they really add up and help you feel like your best self again. Mitolyn is not a magic pill, but when you combine it with a balanced lifestyle, it truly supports your body's natural ability to burn fat, stay energized, and feel mentally clear. You only need to take 2 capsules a day, one in the morning and one in the evening, with a glass of water. If you're looking for a safe, natural way to support your metabolism and boost your energy, Mitolyn is definitely worth a try. The company also offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. To learn more or to grab your bottle at a discount, check out the official website. The link is in the description below. Take the first step toward better energy and wellness, naturally, with Mitolyn.